Habits are what make us or break us, and in this video we will review the necessary information you need to develop new habits and to change bad ones. A habit is a series of actions that have been done often enough to be carried out by the subconscious part of your mind. It is where you have done something enough to where you no longer need to think. Your subconscious kicks in and takes care of it so you can focus on other things. This systemization of these actions are recorded by your brain in 3 steps. Your brain recognizes a trigger, carries out a response, and receives a reward. If an action contains these 3 aspects and that action is carried out enough times, your brain will turn that action into a habit so your subconscious can assume the responsibility of executing that habit. Because our habits dictate what we do on a subconscious level, that is, what we do without thinking, it is important to load up our subconscious with habits that will maximize our abilities. To create a brand new habit, focus on the action you want to take and reward yourself once that action has been completed. For example, if you want to obtain the habit of reading, you could set a time of day, say lunchtime, read 5 pages, and then reward yourself with food. These steps, taken over time, will add the reading habit into your subconscious, enabling you to start reading before lunch every day without thinking. Unfortunately, we have more bad habits than good ones, so it is critical to know how to convert a bad habit into a good one. It is very difficult to unlearn a habit because it's hard for us to reprogram our subconscious, so I recommend that you insert a new routine into the existing habit. For example, if you have the bad habit of playing video games in your free time instead of working on your goals, you will want to insert the new positive action in between the trigger and the routine. Let's say you want to work out in your free time, but you have the habit of playing video games as often as possible. Instead of trying not to play video games, you would insert a mini workout before you play. Over time, your reward for working out will become video games, and you can slowly expand how long you work out, shortening how long you play video games. The replace and expand method is a lot easier on your mind than trying to prevent the habit from happening altogether. Your goal should be to create and reprogram as many habits as possible to ensure that you accomplish what you need to accomplish. The replace and expand method will allow you to reprogram your subconscious, giving you control over a large portion of your actions. In the future, I will make another video on how to identify bad habits, as the majority of these are hidden in our blind spots. We don't even know they exist, but they are very good at holding us back. I'm Chasey with Bite Size Success. Thank you for watching.